Her initial reaction was just this look of curiosity, like, what is this tiny thing? When we brought her home, we called it the honeymoon period. These two little babies are sitting together, petting each other, getting to know each other. We loved the idea of them being similar in age and just watching them grow together. Almost like a sibling relationship. Rio has definitely learned the benefit of sitting beside the high chair. And Rio knows exactly when she has her snack cup in hand, she'll feed her through the gate. I would say they're learning how to share as snack time is constant between the two of them. And I think it's only a bond that they have and we may never understand. Has to be the first to give Hazel attention. Start sticking her snout through the crib. The crib thing started as one of those growth progressions, but they love playing in there together. They were talking to each other, I suppose. We don't know what they're ever saying. It is constant comedy, constantly getting into something. Mess is the name of the game. The one thing that's really driving us crazy, Hazel loves the dog water bowl right now. She'll get in Rio's crate. I mean, she'll crawl right up in there and she wants Rio's attention. Really, our days consist of them just playing around the house, playing outside. They've both learned how to be gentle together. She is just now starting to walk, babbling a lot more. So with the two of them in this phase of expressing more energy, it's just showing us how much fun is in store. Knowing that Hazel will always have that friendship at home, and the same with Rio always having her person, is something that is really special and can't be replaced. I wouldn't trade it for the world. They are truly best friends.